scooter check. Right, we'll start it.
Hi, my name is Dylan Nazarovich, and this is my scooter check. Yeah, what do you think? I don't even like my scooter. As you can see from the top, we've got
District grips.
And we've got roasted cooked bars, very nice. Never bend on the handle bit. Getting kind of nervous. Go down a little bit. We've got Blazer Pro SES Pyramid Clamp. Wish I had it. And fretless headset, District again. And we've got forks, fretless, and they're called Blazer Pro. I've only got them.
Alfie's not got him.
And as you can see, most expensive part of my scooter is my wheel. Blazer Pro wheel, 100mm, I think. And Rose's deck, very strong. Lasts me about 2 more weeks. Only had it for a day. And big wheel, I got a rush wheel.
What's squared?
That's my scooter check. Here's some clips.
Where's your scooter?
I'm gonna do some grindage now, so move your scooter down.
First side.